Welcome back to Mr. Get It Done. Today we're going to make some shrimp and grits just like Mom used to make. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to drop me a like. With that being said, let's get in the kitchen and get it done. I'm going to start by cutting a half a large onion. Now that we got that done, we're going to put that to the side and we're going to season our shrimp. Very simple seasoning, a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of my Caribbean green seasoning. It's optional, but it adds more flavor. Today for our cheese grits, we're going to use some Vermont cheddar. So let's get this grated up real quick. And we're also going to prepare our flour. Add a little salt, a little pepper. And make sure you taste your flour. As we get our grits ready, you're going to prepare your grits as per package instructions, except for, as you can see, we're using chicken broth instead of water. Going in with a quarter stick of butter, and we're going to whisk in our grits slowly. Now we're going to get our shrimp breaded and get them in the fryer. And while those shrimp is cooking, we're gonna get our gravy started. We're gonna go in with that half an onion we chopped up and some Than Bouillon lobster base. You can find this on Amazon. Adds a little extra flavor to the dish. We're also going in with some browning seasoning. Two tablespoons of flour. We're going to stir everything together. Let that flour cook for a couple minutes. Make sure we get our shrimp out of the grease. Should only take about 4 minutes for these to cook. Adding 4 cups of water, and we're going to bring this to a boil.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you.
Once it comes to a boil, we're going to go in with just a tad bit of salt and pepper, not too much because remember your shrimp has been seasoned, so it will take on the flavor from your shrimp. And we're going to add our shrimp in. We're going to let that come to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer. While that's cooking, let's finish our grits. We got a cup of heavy cream here that we're going to stir in slowly. And then we're going to add our cheese. Unfortunately, my video stopped recording, but this is after I added in the cheese. And look at that, our shrimp are done. Can you smell that? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. Yeah, let's get this plated up.
With the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe.
Got our cheese grits.
You feel some type of way.
And we're gonna go right on the top with those shrimp and gravy.
Just saying to my face.
This dish is great for breakfast or dinner. It's one of my favorite dishes that I make. Something my mom used to make.
Say it to my face, no. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my, running back through my mind. Looking out for
And we are looking good. Definitely gotta go in for a taste test.
running back through my mind. Looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind. Looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind. Looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence. Can't breathe when you're not.
Oh yeah, that's on the money. I'm just gonna take this whole bowl. You gotta make your own. See you next week.